Welcome to Me Time. These are meditations that are created to give you moments in your day for you to unplug, reset yourself, find your balance, and be able to step forward in well-being and being well. Today we're going to focus on beauty, the vibration of beauty. And you can be doing this meditation with your eyes open while you are going for a walk, while you're driving in your car, or sitting at your desk, whatever works for you. So welcome to this time that you've given to yourself. Would you give yourself permission to take 15-20 minutes of your day just as a gift to you? Would you find that inner smile, that smile that's within your heart, that smile that says, I like me, I like who I am, I like the person I'm becoming, and just take a breath. Again, today we're going to focus on beauty. There's beauty in release. There's beauty in absorbing. There's beauty in embracing something new. There's beauty in having. There's beauty in having yourself right where you are right now. That's very beautiful. I can have me right where I am right now. And take a breath. Breathe that concept into all that you are. Breathing back out into all that is. Would you say hello to your grounding cord, that straight line and coil that is attached to your first chakra? The straight line siphons off all the thoughts that are not yours. And the coil siphons off all of the emotions that are not yours. And as you take a breath in, having yourself right where you are right now, would you simply allow all that is not you, all that maybe has been tense, all that might have been frustrated, all that might have been out of present time, would you simply give it permission to go down the grounding cord? Just notice if your grounding cord needs to be widened out quite a bit so that you can have more, that you can release more. I always like to take my grounding cord and give it the command to spread out to 3 times larger than anything I'm releasing. It opens up that pathway and just gives permission. Wow, this is not mine. Boom, there you go. Down to the center of the earth where Gaia really has pulled your grounding cord down to where she needs fertilizer. As you focus on, I can have me right where I am right now. And sometimes we're having a day out of center, a day out of alignment. And it's those moments right there, stopping in this moment and going, wait a second, I'm choosing to allow the part of me that is not in alignment, the part of me that's out of sorts, to go down this grounding cord. And I'm going to choose to give myself this time for me right now. As I focus on beauty, so would you look around and hear the beauty around you? As I'm recording this, I can hear beautiful birds in the background. The beauty of their voice, the beauty of their wings, the beauty of the moment that they get to share their voice with the world. So look to your left. What is something to your left you can go, wow, that's beauty? And breathe that beauty into you. Breathe that beauty into your cells. allowing yourself, giving yourself permission to absorb this vibration of beauty that you're seeing with your eyes, hearing with your ears, absorbing into the cells. And then turning to the right. What is something you can look at the beauty of something on your right? Maybe it's a blooming tree, a blooming flower, a squirrel running across the grass, playing. If you're in a place where you can turn around, would you observe what's behind you, the beauty that's behind you? Right now we're into spring, we're into May, we're into the trees bursting out their leaves, we're in the grasses turning green, we're in the flowers saying, hey, I am so ready to burst forth my beauty of flower, my beauty of scent, my beauty of visual kaleidoscope of color. Just notice the beauty. All that beauty that's surrounding you. Would you allow yourself to just breathe that beauty in? Absorbing, giving permission for the beauty to be absorbed inside the cells. I am absorbing beauty. And I'm breathing out back into all that is the beauty of who I am. I am beauty. I am beauty. Breathe that in, that truth of self. I am beauty. And I allow myself to breathe beauty in, to integrate into my cells, to absorb into my cells, and then to breathe beauty back out, sharing it with all that is. As I look to my left and look to my right and see the beauty around me, I know that I am one with this beauty. I am one with this amazing gift that the Earth Mother has given to me. I'm one with this. And I absorb this beauty within my cells as I add me to Mother Nature, and Mother Nature adds to me. And now I look within myself. I am so grateful for the beauty of my eyes, the beauty of my ears, the beauty of my speech, the beauty of my ability to walk and jump and play, the beauty of my smile. There's so much within me that I am in gratitude for, and I recognize my inner beauty, the beauty of my blood flow, the beauty of my strong bone structure, the beauty of how my muscles and my tendons and my ligaments attach, the beauty of my movement. I am so in gratitude of the beauty that I am. As I see the beauty around me, I absorb into the beauty that I am. I am one with this beauty all around me. I am grateful for this beauty around me. I am one with beauty. I am beauty. And I breathe this beauty into every cell of my being, owning it, embracing it, having it. And I am aligned with more beauty. And I can take this beauty of who I am. As I breathe it in and breathe it out, I can share this beauty with another through a smile, through a wave, through a giggle, through a hug. I share the beauty of who I am. the more I own my beauty within me, the more I have to share with all the beauty that I encounter this day. So I breathe beauty in, allowing this beauty to integrate into all the cells of my being. I breathe this beauty out, allowing it to flow out of my eyes, out of my speech, out of my actions, out of my movements. I am glorious in the beauty of who I am. I am beauty. I love this beauty that I'm standing in, and I have an intention of playing in beauty for the rest of my day. And so it is.